Ever feel like your money disappears faster than you can earn it? Or wonder where all your salary goes, even though you're not splurging? What if I told you there's a simple rule you can follow to take full control of your finances, without being a budgeting expert? In the next few minutes, I'll break down the 50-30-20 rule, a proven method that helps you budget smarter, save faster, and finally gain peace of mind with your money. And to make this even easier, I'm including a free spreadsheet template you can download. Just check the link in the video description. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a beginner-friendly budgeting formula that divides your monthly income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt repayment. It's simple, flexible, and it works. No apps or financial degree needed. Let's go deeper. What do we mean by 50% for needs? Well, these are essentials. Think rent or mortgage, groceries, transport, insurance, and utility bills. What do we mean by 30% for wants? These are non-essentials that improve your lifestyle. Dining out, entertainment, shopping, streaming subscriptions. What do we mean by 20% for savings or debt? This includes building your emergency fund, investing, or paying off credit card or student loan debt. Let's say your monthly income is $5,000 after taxes. According to the 50-30-20 rule, you'd budget like this: $2,500 goes toward needs, $1,500 for wants, $1,000 for savings or debt. This structure keeps your finances healthy. You're covering your essentials, enjoying life, and building a better future at the same time. Want to make this even easier? Download the free budget template linked in the video description. It's a simple Excel or Google Sheets file you can use right away. In column A, you'll list your monthly expenses under 3 sections: needs, wants, and savings or debt. In column B, just type in your estimated monthly amounts. The sheet will automatically calculate your totals and even show you what percentage of your income is going where. You can customize it anytime and even track your spending month by month. The best part? You don't have to be perfect. Even getting close to the following this rule can dramatically improve your financial stability. Try it this month, set up your budget, stick to it, and see the results. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to 4Con's Nest for more money-saving guides, AI-powered life hacks, motivation, and smart travel tips.